QR codes are quick response codes, and they give you the ability to help your audience seek additional information, whether it's images, sound, YouTube videos, different social media accounts, websites, web pages, really anything you can think of, you can create a QR code for. And now you can create QR codes with pictures inside of them, and inside of advertising they can be printed on various different things, paper, flyers, inside magazines. You'll start to see them everywhere, and they really are great because they are so user friendly and they allow that audience, whoever you're targeting, to have instant information with their smart device. So the website I'm going to be using to show you how to make a QR code is www.qrcode/monkey.com, and this website is great because it's very user friendly. It gives you the option to create a URL QR code, which is just a website address, text QR code, email, phone, business card, location, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube videos. And what I also like about this site, it lets you include a logo or image inside your QR code, and I'll show you what that would look like in a moment. So let's do a website QR code. I'm going to click on the URL tab right here, and I actually have my website open that I want to have the QR code made for. So what I'm going to do is at the top I'm going to Control C, which is copy the web address, and back of my website QR code creator here I can paste that address into this space here. And if I wanted to create an image to put in there too, I could. Let's just pick this one so you can see, and then I will click Create QR Code, and here is the QR code that will allow users to launch immediately to this website when they scan it with their smart device. Now I have a couple different options here. I can save the file as a PDF, as an image, as a PNG, which is an image without a background, or I could right click and save image or copy image and paste it directly into a document that I was making. To create a text QR code, this one is really wonderful because it allows your audience, once they scan that QR code, to instantly see that text. So in this box over here on the left, I can type in my text that I want my audience to be able to read. Okay, and I could choose another image for this. Let's do one without so you can see what that would look like. Again, over here I'm going to create that code, and there we have it. And I could then copy this, save it, whatever I needed to do. In the text version, wherever I put that QR code on a flyer, on a different web page, or anywhere I chose, what the person would then do is they would take their smart device, and with their QR scanning application they would scan the code, and the text would show up directly inside that app. In this case the text was, QR codes are amazing. So for text they instantly get that information using the QR code. For a YouTube video, it works the same way. I would go to the YouTube video that I would want my audience to have access to. So in the case of the art room, I sometimes link the demos for that video or videos of the students working so that parents and members of the community can see the process. So what I did was I copied the address to that video. There's also an option in YouTube where you click share and it gives you that link again down here. And we're going to paste it into the space here again, just like before. And we can do a YouTube image on this one. And we'll click Create Code. Now here I have a customized QR code to launch this video with a smart device. It's always a really good idea to scan the QR code after you've created it to make sure that you paste the correct URL address, and to make sure that it's not going to someplace else, because once you print it, you're going to assume that that is where people are going to be launched to. And that's how you do it.